So now we're on S2, find the slope of the graph. I took a screenshot of it and brought it over here. When you find the slope, that is rise over run. When you do that, you want to find the lattice points. By that I mean what points on the graph intersect on grid lines. So it looks like we have three nice points right there. From there, you can draw a triangle. All right, it looks like that. So you do rise over run, rise. How many boxes are you going up? I'm going up one box. And how many to the right? One, two, three, four. Four to the right. So if you go up, that's a positive number. So we have one. And four to the right, that's positive. So that's 1 over 4. Doesn't matter what 2 points you chose. Like if I chose this one and the one over there, I'd go up 2. And then I would go over to the right 8. So I could even say 2 over 8. And you know what? 2 over 8, that equals 1/4. So either way you do it, same answer. Let me type it in. 1/4. Got it. Moving on. Let me take a screenshot of this one. See if this works. Alright, so I got my screenshot to work. So what I want to do, find the lattice points. That's a nice one right there. That's a nice one right there. And we got one right there. So I can choose any of these 2 points. I need to connect the 2 points like a triangle. There we go. So the rise, how many boxes did I go up? 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 1, 2, 3 to the right. So this slope is 4/3. Did I get that right? 4/3. Submit. Got it right. That's it. Keep it going. You got this. Dirk is out.